Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Daylite CRM. Daylite CRM is a powerful customer relationship management tool made especially for small businesses and Mac users. It helps teams manage contracts, track communication, and stay on top of client relationships. With Daylite, you can organize projects, sales, emails, and calendars all in one place. It works smoothly with Apple Mail, Calendar, and Contacts, making everything feel familiar. You can create tasks, set reminders, and assign work to team members in just a few clicks. It keeps your team on the same page by showing who's doing what and when. The tool is great for sales tracking. You can follow leads, opportunities, and pipelines with ease. You can also link emails to specific projects or clients so nothing gets lost. Daylite works offline too and sync everything when you're back online. It offers a CRM plan for $20.83, a sales plan for $33.33, a project plan for $33.33, and a business plan for $45.83. The interface is clean and simple with features designed to save time. You can use it to schedule follow-ups so you never miss a chance to reconnect. To start a free trial, enter your first name, last name, company name, email address, password, phone number, and industry name. It's helpful for lawyers, consultants, real estate agents, and creative teams. You also get smart filtering to find the right contact or task quickly. Daylite offers mobile apps so your business goes wherever you go. Overall, it's a great tool for growing teams that want to stay organized and productive. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.